This book teaches the following lessons: forgive, apologize for the wrong you have done. Do not let your mouth get you into trouble. Always be aware of your surroundings. Don't allow a fool to blow your cool. Hi there, people of the internet. My name is Teresa Bass, and I'm 55 years old. I'm presenting a book that I wrote called The Sloth and the Parrot. This book is based on a true story that happened in my life over 20 years ago. A severe drought had occurred in the jungle. The stream that once flowed there had dried up because no rain had fallen for many days. One critter's mouth has gotten himself into trouble. He's upset and wants company along. Comes another unexpected rascal with a pail of water for all of his neighbors to enjoy. An argument erupts, almost costing our good Samaritan more than anyone bargained for. This story allows the reader to witness how one person's misery lures in company. Reader, be aware. There's always going to be frustrated people somewhere in this world. Nonetheless, it's up to you to maintain his or her wits after being confronted by someone else with evil intentions. For it is written, be wise to what is good, but innocent as to what is evil. Romans 16:19. The Jungle Boogie story was inspired by an actual event. The water, the main on my block had burst. Our block had no water. Our next door neighbor's son had come up with a good idea that would provide relief for everyone's thirst. This nice lad had his parents purchase 10 cases of bottle of water. He placed a bottle of water in the middle of our block for all of his neighbors to enjoy. Also, we had another neighbor's son that had a bad attitude. It seemed as though his mouth would get him into trouble over and over again. He was on the porch restriction during our water main problem due to the carelessness of his mouth. It made him miserable seeing how his neighbors were receiving relief from their thirst by drinking a bottle of water provided by our good Samaritan. He decided to start an argument with our good Samaritan. This incident had inspired me to write this book called The Sloth and the Parrot. I like to tell you that my book, The Sloth and the Parrot, is on YouTube. You can take a picture and get your book signed. Okay? And I also have my paperback right here. My paperback is $12. You can get the ebook for $7. My book is a good learning experience. Good social skills for the children, but not only for the children. For some of us adults need to have some good social skills. We can all learn together. I also have a hardback here for $22. Some of my vendors, if you want to purchase my book, you can go on Amazon, Barnes & Nobles, or iTunes. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please consider subscribing and check out the book yourself in the description. Thank you.